So the exercise we'll be working through today is cross contour drawing. It's very similar to contour drawing where we're looking really closely at an object and trying to recreate it using line and using line in a very intentional way. Today, I really like this exercise because I feel like it really breaks down the form that you're looking at into the shapes. Like I was saying, when we're doing gestural drawing, you should work really loosely and draw things out by their shape. This is another way of drawing things by their shape, but breaking it down a step even further. So you're looking at the object in all of its little parts. So this is a really good way to just really be there for and see how much an object has motion. So in this case, this apple has a flow that's going, it's kind of curving out as it goes from top up to bottom, and it's wrapping around as it goes from side to side. And you can see that they get smaller toward the tops and the bottoms, they get wider toward the middle. It's a lot like looking at a globe. I know I've said that before, and hopefully you guys know what I'm talking about. If you don't, go look up a globe, go look at a globe, and then you'll see, the way that we capture roundness with these latitudinal and longitudinal lines. So you'll be following along that kind of train of thought when you draw your own apple. It's basically, you're just making a series of ellipses based on what it is you're looking at, right? But in this case, you can't see the back end of your ellipses because in the cone of vision, you wouldn't be able to see the back side of this apple, right? You can only see the front. So you train your brain to know where to stop by really looking at what you're observing. This is a little wonky. I'm going fast. You guys will go a lot slower. But really, you're just kind of seeing how these little ellipticals or ellipses can form a basic shape, like an apple. And this is really useful because it shows how much these ellipses can give us and dictate the forms that we're looking at. And you'll begin to see that when you are looking at your still lives down the road in this class. I think it's really valuable to force your eye and your hand to slow down and really see what it is that you're drawing. And this is one of the great tools and exercises that can help you slow down and process the information. All right, so on a piece of newsprint, you're going to draw your apple from 4 different vantage points. So side, top, bottom, and maybe some tilted angle. You decide. Okay, so divide your paper into fourths. You're going to draw your apple in this cross contour style. I recommend starting off with pencil and then going back over it with either a Sharpie or one of your Micron pens or whatever pen you have around.